Sitting here with my heart racing fast, typing messages that I won't press send. Every little thing makes me think of you. These butterflies won't let me pretend, and try to hard to act casual, but my feelings keep breaking through. Reading back our late night texts, wonder if you're feeling this too. My hands are shaking as I write, each word feels like a risk I take. But something's different now with you, my heart won't let me hesitate. Is this what falling feels like? My heart's skipping every other beat. Is this what falling feels like? When everything's suddenly complete. Tell me if you feel it too, 'cause I can't hide it, I know. Is this what falling feels like? I've never felt this way before. Double tapping all your posts today, screenshot memories of me and you. Trying to decode what your friends say. Our status updates him to you, though I never type your name. Every song hits different now, nothing else feels quite the same.